No, no, hey, no, no, hey, no.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how I do my everyday makeup look, but how I incorporate my skincare so that I can have a really nice flawless finish and a really nice super hydrated base, a nice simple well put together polished look, and how it doesn't take too much, but it's just all about the technique. So if you want to see how I get all of this, please keep watching. So if you haven't watched already, I do have a bit of a nighttime, my get unready with me is my nighttime skincare routine, where I'm just pretty much showing you what I do to my skin at night to maintain healthy glowing skin, hydrated skin. And it's good for normal to dry combinations or skin types, but it's actually good for anyone because some of the products that I use are pretty good for all skin types. So definitely go ahead and check that out. What I'm gonna start off with is my Soft Clean from Estee Lauder. I mentioned this product maybe a couple of videos back, like my first skincare videos. I show just pretty much how I use this product, and oh my god, this is like one of my favorite toners. This one is Estee Lauder Soft Clean. It's a silky hydrating lotion, and what it's gonna do, it's just going to make sure that your skin has a really nice soft base, honey. This is like my old handy dandy. The funny thing is I love using this. It is a softening spray. It makes your skin like super duper soft, and it's gonna give it a nice smooth canvas, but it also helps everything stick together and everything just kind of work together. Mine never sprayed out, so I always sprayed it in my hand, and I'm like on the bare end of this thing, so this is definitely Old Faithful. Next, I'm gonna take my Origin. This is a treatment lotion. I really love this because it's an anti-aging one, but it's also really hydrating. And it just gives a really nice glow to my skin, and my skin gets really, really dry. This is gonna be my MIXEASY, a customized face cream that I put together with all different types of natural botanicals, and then like, you can choose to have it scented or not, and it's kind of cool. I mixed this and I kind of customized it to my skin. One thing that I put in this has hyaluronic acid, and that is like some of the most maximum hydration you can use on your skin, and it just gives a really nice glowing texture. As you notice, my skin is really hydrated even just prior. Next, I'm gonna use my GIORGIO ARMANI Luminous Silk in the number 10. I love this foundation because it matches really well to my skin, and not only does it just match well to my skin, but I just really love the finish that it gives. It's not too heavy and it's very skin-like. Build to the coverage of your liking, but try not to let it get like super cakey, because the best part about having a flawless finished look, you still want your skin to make sure that it's nice and transparent through your makeup. You're always going to want to make sure that your foundation is really blended and really pressed into the skin, because you just really, when you're going for a flawless finished look, you really want your skin to look seamless. You really want to get that foundation in there, and you really want to make sure that it's blending into the skin and not sitting on top of the skin. Next, I'm going to go in with my NARS Radiant Concealer in the color Walnut, which is medium dark 2.6. It's one of their newer shades that they came out with when they did a relaunch of more additional colors to the line.
Real quick tip, make sure that you always apply your concealer on your eyelid as well and blend it out. You're going to want to make sure not just under the eye that you look wide awake and alert, but on top of the eye as well, just to balance out that darkness and just to make sure that your eye looks fully wide and awake and not sleepy, honey. And feel free to retouch up under the eyes with concealer as well if you feel you need just a little bit more coverage.
So next I'm gonna go in with the NYX Conceal Correct and Contour. I'm gonna go in with this cream shade. I typically like using a little bit more creamier contours just because it creates a more natural shadow. You're able to blend it into the skin a little bit more, which allows you to create a lot more of a flawless look to your skin. The best part about contouring is creating natural shadows, and that's always the key. And the most natural shadow that I love to build is after I do my highlighting, where I like to highlight that best points of my face. I really do want to go in with the shadows as well and really dive into the shadows of the face to make sure that I really sculpt them the way that I like to. So what you really want to make sure you're going to follow where your jawbone ends. That is going to create the best shadow of your cheekbone to make sure that you get the highest looking point and that you have the most natural looking shadow. Just fill under where you feel your cheeks and where you feel that bone ends. And whenever you feel that, that is where you're going to draw your line, and that is where you're going to create your shadow. What I'm gonna make sure I also do is go over my contour with my foundation. It just kind of makes sure that it all blends together, but there's still a nice shadow created on the face as I sit here and look magically crazy. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and set with my True Complexion Loose Setting Powder from Black Radiance in the color, I think it's Banana. Yep, in the color Banana. Love this, like, it just... Then I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance Beauty Pressed Powder in the color Golden Almond. Protect the baby hairs at all costs. The dope part about this like little makeup look that I love is the same powder that I just used over my face, I'm gonna use in the crease of my eyes. Now I'm gonna go in with my, what is this? My micro brow pencil from NYX. To be completely honest, I don't wear too many eyeshadows, and especially when I'm doing an everyday super simple look, I don't like to wear tons of colors. I just like something that's really quick, something really easy to go. And so what is this? The Morphe 3502 palette. You guys, this is like one of my absolute favorite palettes right now. Drop this one right here. This is just my absolute favorite palette. It's warm, it blends with my complexion very, very well, and it's super easy to create super looks or super easy looks. So typically I like to take a combo of this one, and these three browns. The goal really isn't to put tons and tons and tons of color. The goal is to just kind of create a super simple, easy look where you aren't using tons of brushes, where you don't have to pick and go at everything. It's just super easy and super simple to go to.
Feel free to use whatever brush of your choice when you're using your eyeliner or if you're using a gel eyeliner, but typically I love a flat angled brush. You're going to get a lot of precision. You're going to be able to direct the product and move it wherever you like to. So if you haven't really used gel liner with an angle brush, please give it a try. I highly recommend it.
Next, I'm gonna go in with the NARS highlighting powder in the color Albatross. It's so funny because I had dropped this and broke it, and I was so sad because this is such a bomb highlighter. But I kind of put it together. I can't show it, but I'm making it work because it's that bomb. It's opalescent gold, and I love just the way that it really reflects, because it looks really, really natural, but it still has gold, but this opalescent type look. So yes. I'm gonna go in with this color French Tart. This is from the Beauty Bakery Scoops. It's a nice face and body palette, and I love this orange. Oopsies. Because the cool thing about an orange blush, it gives just enough to the cheek, but it's not overwhelming. With this type of look, I don't really want a super harsh blush, but I want something that's gonna really blend well with the warmth of my skin, but also still gonna give enough detail on my cheekbones.
For my lips, I'm going to go ahead and give them a quick dab to wipe off any excess product or concealer and foundation that would maybe mess up the color of my lip products. I am using all MAC products on my lips. This is Cork Lip Liner. I'm going to go in with Lust Lip Glass just to kind of give a little bit of a color. And then I'm going to go on top of it with Oh Baby Dazzle Glass to give that really nice pop and to make sure that my lips look nice and glowing and shimmery and yummy and delicious. And let me stop and go ahead and let you watch. I know you see that shimmer. Look at that. Go ahead and spray the face down with whatever setting spray of your choice. I chose the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is just pretty much all the steps that I do so that I am able to create a nice flawless polished look with my foundation, of course incorporating my skincare. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and comment below and tell me what you think. Is this similar to your routine? Did you learn anything new? Did you like any of the tips and tricks that I used? Don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and go ahead and join the fam and turn on your post notifications. Thank you so much for watching.